Welcome to the Stephen School Alchemy YouTube channel. I'm growing crystals at home. Crazy crystals. Look at this. This is metal acetate crystals. Like a clear salt, sprouting and growing. Will they be metal crystals? The ingredients I put in here are metal. I created a supersaturated saline solution by dissolving iron pyrite and then using that on a matrix of iron filings as an advanced crystal growing experiment. This is the matrix. It's a combination of iron filings and the green acetate extracted from iron pyrite. However, if you look at the edges. Crystals seem to be growing up the sides of the glass bowl that are clear and transparent in nature. It's going to be interesting to see how they turn out. This video is part of a series on this particular experiment to see what becomes and the stages of it. Will they become hard, solid crystals when they're done growing? Will they dissolve in water? Will they become gemstones? Will they become colored from the breaking down of the metal elements? How does it look? It looks like some color. Interesting, breaking down iron with acetate salt and growing crystals. This is not a basic crystal growing kit from the store. This is my own creative ideas and experiment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates on this. I want to see where this goes. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Do you know anything about acetate crystal growing? Growing crystals with acetate salts. Look how pretty that is. I've seen images of crystal specimens on iron matrices that looked quite spectacular, and so it's going to be interesting to see what kind of crystals can grow from iron and what their colors will be. Maybe get them assayed or inspected. If it grows large crystals, maybe have a jeweler take a look and see. I may do that. So this experiment, I leave it out in the sun during the daytime with a glass cover over the top, and it looks like it's ready for another edition of the supersaturated saline solution. Not for consumption. The elements involved in this experiment, I'm working with iron pyrite and iron filings. The iron filings I purchased on Amazon.com. They were inexpensive. Basically a scientific experiment grade, cheap iron filings. I had got a 3-pack, medium, coarse, and fine. I chose the medium iron filings for this experiment. The fine ones would probably dissolve faster. They, of course, maybe take longer, but this is the result of the medium iron filings. And look at this crystallization. It's pretty, isn't it? It is interesting to look at, but not for consumption. Studying how crystals grow. This is Alchemy of Stephen's School. This video is part of a series. You may notice I've attached cards to my videos and end screens, linking them to other videos in the series. So I will do the same with this video. I will attach links connecting it to the playlist with the other videos in this series. You may notice at some point in this video a little link up here in the top corner, and then there's the end screens that usually come on around the end of the video to show the other videos in the playlist or the playlist itself. Let's take a look inside the bowl at the matrix. A matrix of black, medium iron filings and green acetate extracted from iron pyrite. I used a basis of white vinegar, store-bought, weak. Do not try this at home. Not for consumption. I consider this to be an advanced crystal growing experiment. Metallic elements involved may be toxic.